friends, I'm Shweta Nagarsheth here. As you all know, today I am not doing letter. Again, we'll spice up a little bit. Without the letters also, you get to know about the person a lot with the way that person has written things on their page. So, two small examples today. Let's see the first one. This is the first one wherein this is the page. It's I go to Mumbai. The person made some mistake and cancelled it once and then wrote it down. What does this mean? If the person has just cancelled it once, which is done here, they are actually willing to accept their mistake and willing to correct them also. Now that's a good sign. And there are people who will just scribble it. They don't want to show you that they have made that mistake. They don't want to show what the mistake was. You cannot trust such people because they are not even ready to accept it. Changing is, not in cards. Next one is this. This is your page and I have written I go to Mumbai. Now as you see, my Mumbai was not fitting exactly. So it is absolutely crushed and I just tried to fit in it. So these people are very much prone to accidents, even emotional accidents. They are normally in some or the other problems and their whole energy is consumed in coming out of the problems. These people cannot be trusted completely because they do not know what they are doing. Very much impulsive. That's all for now. Please subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.